My name is Gwen Lau. I'm a mechanical engineering major and I'm a member of the Sun Delegation.
My name is Raya Milan. I am the president of the Sun Delegation and I am a mechanical engineer here at UMD.
I'm Craig Hill. I am an assistant professor in the Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department and the faculty advisor for the UMD Sun Delegation.
The Sun Delegation is an interdisciplinary group of students who are interested in renewable energy and promoting renewable energy on campus. Currently, we have 5 solar sources that UMD uses. There's the Molosky Stadium Solar Array, the Bagley Nature Classroom, the HCAMS building, which is the HYCLA Chemistry and Material Science building, and also the Oakland Aspen apartments. Those are the ones on campus. We also have a purchased 100 kilowatts of solar from a community solar garden. Sun Delegation was the driving force for the Oakland Aspen apartments. It was student-led, student-run, and finally student-completed.
I think it would be super cool to see our campus covered in solar panels, so I want to help advocate and speak up to make that happen.
I think it's important that we move towards more sustainable sources, and solar makes up a big component of that. Renewable energy is incredibly important for a couple of reasons. I mean, one, we certainly want to try as a community and as a nation to step away from such a reliance on fossil fuels. It's not going to be one specific renewable energy source that is going to offset that demand, and that's where we have to look at all of these different options. I think UMD as a campus can contribute to that a lot. We have, many people think that we live in a northern climate, we have some pretty extreme winter conditions, but that doesn't mean that solar is not a viable resource for this region. And so I think across campus we could expand our use of solar, whether it's on top of buildings like you're starting to see now, or if we buy into more off-site solar energy farms.
I think it's really important for students to speak out if they have interest in renewable energy on campus, because we have the power to make a change on campus if we have something we're passionate about. If we want to see our campus have more solar panels, we can make that happen. We just need to say something and advocate for it. It's important for students to be conscious about the energy that they consume during their day-to-day life, like turning off lights when you leave and not using unnecessary energy. Even though those aren't the electricity bills that you're paying, it's still important to be conscious about that energy and how it's affecting the environment.
Students have the power to change campus. As evident from the past, the Sun Delegation was completely student-run, and we finally got 45 kilowatts of power on Oakland apartments. So that being said, we can do more, we can push for more, we can advocate for more. It's all up to us with the help of faculty and staff. So we can make UMD solar powered.
I think the best thing for UMD students to do is really just show your enthusiasm. It's renewable energy is, it's the direction that our electrical grid and industry is heading. We need to focus more and more on it every day, and that starts with UMD students. If you show your enthusiasm, it brings out our enthusiasm as faculty, and we can start to build more momentum across the community to bring more solar on campus, have the UMD campus as a whole invest in other renewable energy technologies. And I think it's an entire community movement that the more students we get involved, the better we are as a campus community.
Go solar!